Yeah, a lot of people come to us and they want to block light, they want to block heat, they need privacy. There are a lot of great reasons for window coverings, but lately people have come to us because they just want to update their decor. They want something new, they want something innovative. There's been so many cool and interesting things come out over the last few years, especially with the motorized and automated side of things in shades, that they really want to update with something different. So just updating your shades for decor has become very common. We've been updating a lot of standard types of shades with wands or cords to pull or old shutters and things like that with new motorized window coverings. Reminds me a lot of kind of when, when I was a kid, when garages crossed over from the old garage door, you went, you grabbed it and you lifted up and you put a garage door opener on it now. And now you pressed a button in your car to get out, which made it a lot easier. And that's kind of what's going on with window coverings right now, is there were a lot of old cords and wands of people using shades. And now they've gotten to a point of, we motorize those and we raise and lower them with a remote or our phone, or we put them on a schedule, which is really cool. And a lot of people, when they update those shades, think, or is the motorization, is it as reliable as those cords? In fact, the motorization is more reliable than those cords. We have a very, very low error rate on our motors. The connections with the hubs and your phone and things like that, they actually work really, really well. And they've become very, very common when replacing your windows, just because you want to upgrade or you want to change your decor. We're really seeing a lot of motorized roller shades. That's probably the most common thing we see. And we feel like, because the design and the decor in homes in Kansas City right now is very simple. It's very simple, neutral colors. It's very simple lines. And people don't want something that, has a lot to it or stands out. They really want something that just kind of rolls inside of a headrail and it looks very sleek and very built in. And a motorized roller shade really does that, because it's just a plain flat fabric that blocks the sun, gives you privacy, but it does roll inside that headrail and you don't have any exposed cords or wands dangling down in your window. It's a very clean look, and we think that's probably why it's the most popular right now. I think with many of our clients, one of the things that makes us unique is we actually get in touch with our clients before we ever consult with them on window coverings and try to learn about their project and what they're working on. And to that end, we have a very comfortable relationship with our customers where they'll actually send us pictures of their designs, their style, and we'll work on that ahead of time. We will put together some really neat options and some really good colors that match their design, and then we invite them into one of our 3 showrooms in the city to come in, bring in pictures or fabrics. We frequently have people bring in toss pillows or, bath towels or things that they really want to match inside their home. Look at the different options out there and kind of narrow down the design and the style that they want to fit in their space. And then we schedule that follow-up visit to come out and take very precise measurements, make sure we bring the samples into the home and match up with everything around, so that the amount of light that's in your house that can influence the color and style is exactly the same as what you would see when you get your product installed and finished.